This video is sponsored by Famoid.com, the best way to get social media followers in just one click.
Open Google Play Store. Click the search bar and search League of Legends Wild Rift. Click the first result, or check the video description for a direct link. Click Pre-register. Tick this box, and then click Done. Now you'll get a notification when the game is available. Open your web browser, and go to apkmirror.com. Click this search button, and search League of Legends Wild Rift. Now choose your desired APK version. We recommend you to always choose the latest one. Click See Available APKs. Now choose the APK variant. Click Download APK. Click OK to confirm the download. Click on it once it is completed. Click Install. And then click Open. Allow media permission. If you get the download damage message, try a different APK version, or click OK to resume the download.